Welcome back. Today, we scoured the depths of Amazon to bring you the top 11 coolest gadgets you can buy from Amazon. Right now, from the practical to the downright futuristic, we got something for everyone. So let's dive in. 11. Neck hammock. Years ago, I threw my back out of twice in 1 month. Once while loading the last of many boxes of books into a U-Haul, and again a few weeks later, once I thought I was healed, while folding a lightweight sweater. Since then, I've lived in fear of a lower back spasm. So when I saw the neck hammock on a friend's Instagram story, and his purely joyful expression in a series of suspended selfies, I tuned in for more information and called one in to try. My first time using the neck hammock was easy. All I did was hang the strap on the doorknob. I have the newer Sun version rather than the one with the clip. Get comfortable on the ground and lay the back of my head into it. I tried a few different heights during that first session. The higher off the ground, the more intense the stretch, before settling at around 3 inches above the floor. I felt immediately relaxed, like I could melt into the ground Savasana style. I may have dozed off with my toy poodle curled on top of me. It was like napping while floating, the way being in water can sometimes lull you to sleep. 10. Zimo-free foot. In the past few years, we have covered plenty of high-quality foot massagers here that help athletes recover faster. The Zimo-free foot is also worth a look. It is a portable foot massager that you can use anywhere to relax. It has a cordless design and offers full foot coverage. Zimo is pretty easy to use. Just slide your feet into it like you would with your shoes, and you are set. It has 3 massage settings and 4 massage modes. It uses 36 massage balls for the soles of your feet, 5 for under the arch, and 2 massage heads for the heels. Can provide you with a full foot coverage massage. 9. MetaQuest 2. The sky outside my window is a ruddy yellow-brown. Imagine the foggiest day of your life and throw a sepia filter over it. That's Portland right now. The air smells like a million-acre campfire and tastes bitter on your tongue. For a few hours as the sun sets, the sky becomes the color of spilt blood, and the sun looks like the eye of an angry god burning a hole in the world. It's all a bit on the nose, isn't it? Before the fires, VR had been an oasis from the crushing familiarity of an apartment I couldn't leave. Now it's even more of a refuge. When I'm wearing the MetaQuest 2, originally called the Oculus Quest 2, I can't see the stinging smoke or angry sky, and I breathe just a little easier. 8. Ring-Con. Slip the Ring-Con smart ring onto your index finger and the sensor-loaded $279 wearable will immediately start tracking your calories burned, heart rate, steps, stress level, time standing, and more. When you go to bed, it tracks sleep stages and key overnight health metrics like your skin temperature, SpO2, and respiratory rate. It's a good option for monitoring your basic daily activity and nighttime well-being if you don't want to wear anything on your wrist. But for finger-based health insights, we prefer the $299 Oura Ring Generation 3, which justifies a monthly membership fee with greater accuracy and a more polished app. As a more value-rich alternative to both, the Fitbit Charge 6, $159.95, is a traditional wrist-worn fitness tracker that costs less and offers far superior workout tracking capabilities and comprehensive sleep data. 7. Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4. The Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 is a cutting-edge addition to the realm of home security technology, seamlessly merging advanced features with user-friendly design. Equipped with high-definition video capabilities, it provides crisp and clear footage of your doorstep in real time, ensuring that you never miss a visitor or package delivery. Its wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the surroundings, offering enhanced security and peace of mind. The doorbell's infrared night vision functionality extends its surveillance capabilities into the dark, allowing for round-the-clock monitoring. 6. SolarLol. It seems like you might be referring to a portable solar panel for hand use, although the term SolarLol panel doesn't seem familiar. Let's imagine a portable solar panel designed for hand use. This innovative device harnesses solar energy to provide a convenient power source for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, or anyone on the go. Featuring lightweight and compact design, it's easily portable and can be carried in a backpack or handbag. The solar panel is equipped with efficient photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, offering a sustainable and eco-friendly way to charge various devices such as smartphones, tablets, GPS devices, and more. 5. Govee and Visual T2. Govee's Immersion Light Kit, which I reviewed a year ago. Sure, it did sound good on paper, letting you add lighting effects behind your television to illuminate the wall and imbuing it with a sense of three-dimensional immersion. So-called bias lighting can be expensive, though cheaper and cheaper options like the Govee kit continue to hit the market. The problem with Govee's original kit was that it didn't work that well. Calibration was awkward and difficult, the lights weren't bright enough, and the colors shifted so quickly that motion sickness ensued during testing. Further, the use of plastic, vertical light bars placed to the sides of the TV seemed superfluous and looked more than a little cheap. 4. Ecto Chair. If you're sitting outside on a hot day, a sunshade will only help keep you cool to a limited extent. The Ecto system goes further by pumping ice water through your outdoor chair or seat cushion. Currently the subject of an Indiegogo campaign, the Ecto setup was invented by Atlanta-based entrepreneur Aaron Carmack. It's available as both a complete Ecto chair and as an Ecto TUPR, pronounced topper, cushion that can be added to an existing chair. One charge of the Ecto's optional 5V/5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Buyers can supply their own, if they want, should reportedly be good for 9 hours of use at the maximum cooling level, ranging up to 36 hours at the lowest level. If users don't mind sacrificing a bit of that battery life and they want to cool down ASAP, they can select a super chill mode that cools the seat down to 45 degrees in just 90 seconds. 3. Light Phone 2. The telephone is transformed from a tethered object for connecting you with friends and family into a portable, pocket-sized computer capable of capturing and communicating an enormous amount of information with people you've never met. If you pine for the simpler days of phones that didn't constantly demand your attention, the $300 Light Phone 2 could be just the answer. The Light Phone 2 sets the boundaries for you, limiting you to basic activities such as making calls, sending text messages, and using its rudimentary map app. Whether those limitations are practical is another question entirely, and the Light Phone 2's hardware and software shortcomings ultimately detract from its utility. 2. LAZE LumePad 2 3D Tablet. LAZE's Android-based LumePad 2 tablet is no ordinary one as it packs a rather special screen, one that can display 3D contents without the need for any glasses. Is this distinctive feature a gimmick or revolutionary? By most accounts, 3D displays didn't catch up and their consumer adoption failed. In regards to 3D TVs for home use, famed movie director James Cameron says their failure was because TV manufacturers tried to cash in quickly on the 3D hype and made 3D TVs with cumbersome glasses that required charging. Their unpopular approach, he continues, didn't leave room for what was around the corner and held the true potential of 3D displays, glasses-free ones with high resolution. So why in 2023 is a company pushing out a second iteration of a tablet with 3D displays? That's one of the first questions that comes to mind. But with the LumePad 2, LAZE isn't just replicating the experience of 3D movies, but is attempting much more. 1. Shopping cart. This metal shopping cart is a simple and durable option for hauling produce and more. It's equipped with a large main compartment and a smaller basket, which is perfect for holding personal items while you shop. The heavy-duty wheels swivel easily for better maneuverability, and the entire cart folds down for storage. We found its capacity generous with one caveat. Since the baskets are not lined, you may want to utilize reusable grocery bags so items don't fall through its holes. That being said, we were able to fit our test grocery haul in with no problem. We'd also found it easy to pull around thanks to fully rotating wheels that worked well even in tighter turns. We also think anyone who is on the tall side will appreciate the extra height of this cart's handles. And there you have it, the top 11 coolest gadgets you can buy from Amazon that you need to get your hands on right now. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-tastic content. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.